me.
A noticeable absentee in the chamber of the International Criminal Court. Jean-Pierre Bemba wasn't here after being released last month, and his legal team says he doesn't want to return unless he has to by order of the court.
The amount of time that he's actually served in jail has meant that the scales of justice have tipped, and they've tipped towards the objectives of rehabilitation rather than vengeance.
Mr. Bemba was freed on condition after being acquitted of criminal responsibility while in command of troops who conducted war crimes and crimes against humanity in the Central African Republic in 2002. This hearing is to decide whether he should be sent back to prison for up to 6 months more for witness tampering. That's what the prosecution is calling for.
A broad and pervasive scheme to pervert the course of justice and undermine the integrity of the proceedings before this court cannot be less than the maximum allowable for any given offense. That's 5 years and a meaningful fine.
Bemba's defence says prosecutors are pushing for a maximum sentence to make up for their failure in the main case. He was the first person to be convicted of sexual crimes like ordering the rape of women as a weapon of war.
The overturning of that conviction and now the questions that surround command responsibility and what a commander should have known or had to have done makes things very challenging moving forward.
Jean-Pierre Bemba will find out whether he'll have to return to prison in the coming weeks. The big question is whether Mr. Bemba could be freed in time for him to submit candidacy to run in December's elections in the Democratic Republic of Congo. There's a deadline for that of August the 8th. He hasn't yet publicly expressed a desire to run in those elections, but still enjoys strong support in the DRC. Jack Parrock, SABC News, The Hague.